Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about an introduction to Facebook events. Let's get started. Facebook events are a great tool to boost and promote your events and spread the word across people in your local community or promote online events to reach more people. Also, you can choose to host public or private events on Facebook. It can be a way to get the attention of users who are interested in a topic that they can expect from the event. People can discover events as they browse the event section on Facebook. If they select a category, people can click on the name of the event and learn about the duration and the details of the event. Generate leads. Unlike Facebook Live, which only notifies the page followers, Facebook events will suggest ongoing or upcoming events to Facebook users. It can show up as a suggested event to your friends' network. You can promote your event to the right people, which will allow you to attract new clients, customers, or followers who are interested in the line of your business. Promote live broadcasts. You can use Facebook events to invite your fans and followers to join your Facebook Live. Once your page followers are notified that you're hosting an upcoming event, they can spread the news and invite their friends who might be interested to attend your live streaming. Next, create event promotions. You can host events that promote giveaways. Every Facebook user who browses the event section can discover event promotions, especially when giving out free products, and people are more likely to attend that event to learn how they can join the giveaway. Boost Facebook events with promoted posts. You can target more people on Facebook based on a specific age, gender, likes or interests, education, and more. You can get a wider audience outside your network of fans and followers. Sell tickets. Marketers can promote events and sell tickets online. Interested attendees can purchase tickets via the link that the event host will include in the details, or they can redirect people to a URL where they can purchase the tickets. In this example, people can view the Find Tickets button, and they can be redirected to the business website to learn more about the event and instructions on how to purchase tickets. Promote local events. You can promote seminars that are held locally using Facebook events. It can attract interested audiences in seminars that focus on niche-specific topics. Events can include a section where people can learn the host of the event under Meet Your Hosts. Viewers can go to the page of the host, learn about their business before deciding to attend the event or while they wait for the date of the event. Facebook events can allow the viewers to see the location of the event on maps. Any Facebook user can choose to attend the event, invite their friends, or share it. Facebook events allow you to inform Facebook users that your business is hosting an event locally, or it can be held online. Facebook will suggest events to Facebook users based on their activities and interests. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy-grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try Course Funnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.